Hi, my name is Anna. Today I am going to explain to the present simple. The present simple structure is the subject more are is more complement. The negative form is the subject more are is more not more complement. Is the examples is an means to an end. English is a means to an end because it is essential in the life. In Spanish, an ends to an end is un medio para un fin. The sentence is a means to an end because it is essential in the life. Is a great S because they three personal and the structure. The next example is state the course. State the course in Spanish is mantener el rumbo. They stay the course to go to the grades. They agree is the three personal. They don't is negative. Stay the course to go the grades. Next example is a drop in the bucket. She is a drop in the bucket because you lack self-esteem. She not is a drop in the bucket because you not lack self-esteem. She is a great because is the three person. Next is all set to go. Listo para ir. I be all set to go the cinema. I don't be all set to go in the cinema. Affirmative, negative structure in the one person. Next is any day, now, en cualquier momento. She any day, now goes to the park. The negative form is the she don't any day, now go to the parks. Next example is ask around. I like to ask around any days. Negative verb is I don't like to ask around in the dias. Next is the chance of a lifetime. La oportunidad de tu vida. The example is the sentence I was the shame of a lifetime and you let me go. The negative form is the I wasn't the change of lifetime and you let me go. The example is go abroad to pink with someone. Estar molesto con alguien. The go to the bone, the pink with someone because I take off the wall chain. The negative form is they don't go about to the pink with someone because I take off go to the chain. The next example is throw him a bone. Dale una mano. The sentence is throw him a bone a sheep because evil of health. The negative is throw him about down a sheep because able of healthy. The next is example hungry, hambriento. I am hungry. Yo estoy hambriento. I am not hungry. Yo no estoy hambriento. Y next is sad, triste. I am sad. Yo estoy triste. I am not sad. Yo no estoy triste. The simple present is very important since we must know how to the verbs of the team structure form that is very important now is agreed to the S because is the three personal. Thank you. For evidence is the learning contract is activity in my house, a means to an end, a group won't get all set to go, any acts around, the change of like 10, any day is a practice English any day now simple present. Is correction on the sentence. The change of like 10, Anna, change of like 10, Dawn is the negative form, the structure for the subject, more are is more, don't, not, must complement. Go to the bone to the blanket with all sentence. I have. The world is someone's yours. El mundo es tuyo. Juanita, the world is someone's of yours. Happy as a claim. Feliz como una almeja. Is the expression alemán is your example is you're happy is a claim. Tú estás feliz como una almeja. You said the word. Solo dilo. Teacher, you say to the word. The contract learning is the change of the like 10. Example is Anna Dunn's change of the like 10. Anna Chase is a great S because the three personal. E all set to go auxiliary verbs in the structure to be is are, is. Is I, are, we, you, they. Is she, he, it. In the sentence, agree to the verbs and you. They are an student. The subject are an student. Use your complement. Are is occupations, adjectives placed on the personal information. Example is your hamburgers is eat fast food. I am happy. Thank you for your participation and activity and explain. Goodbye.